What's up, everybody? Today we'll be doing a video on a project I'm gonna be doing on my Telecaster. Basically, we're gonna be installing these things. I'm sure you could remember, or if you guys know what it is, but basically it goes on this right here, the rings. Now, never done this before, but I went online and I did see, finally, it took me a long time, but finally figured out what tool I needed to do that, and it's called a reamer, taper reamer. It's pretty cool looking tool, I shall say. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today, guys. And we got this little mallet to see if we can try taking off the nut on the guitar. This one is what came with the guitar, the Harley Benson Telecaster. It's basically made of plastic. It's not a super high quality nut, but yeah, we're gonna be doing that after. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start taking off these strings. And we got some new strings over here. Some Ernie balls, nothing crazy. Sorry I haven't been posting that much, guys. It's been very busy. Very busy. I'm gonna have to take these tuners out again. I'm making my life so hard. I'll be right back. Go, that's one. So I practically already installed these tuners. I probably should have done a video on it, or maybe not, just because I needed these tools anyway to take off those little rings I told you guys about and showed you. I probably should have looked that up, the name of those things, before I actually started this video, but what the heck. It's when you guys buy tuners and they happen to have those, just you know what I'm talking about. If you don't have them, and you have the traditional, maybe not traditional, but like the newer per se tuners that have the thing where you have to use, it's like a screw on top, then you wouldn't have to do this. The process is more straightforward. You might still have to use the reamer still, just because the hole might be, you guys will see what it's used for, but basically the hole right here, the guitar, is where the tuners go through. You're gonna have to make the hole bigger just so the new tuners can fit. As you can see, the tuners on the headstock tuners on here, it fit through the hole, but these things right here, it did not fit. So we're gonna be getting that. I'm gonna start doing that. So, all right, how we're gonna do this? All right, grab something. Literally. Literally do that. You see, like literally what I'm doing is I'm putting on the, so you guys can see. I'm literally, so the rings are over here, right? On the guitar, you see it. These are the things I'm talking about. I'm doing a YouTube video. This thing right here, these rings, is what I'm trying to take out. And my problem is I'm having trouble taking it out because the manufacturer did not put it in a way where it's easy to take out. So now I have to get something, I have to make it harder. Or they made it harder for me. Harder for you guys too, because they're having this issue. You know, just grab something that fits in the hole on the other side. Have a mallet, a little working tool mallet, and just literally bang that thing until it comes out. Works. All right, so we grab this right here, put it on the other side, and ding ding, comes out. Look at that. You gotta improvise sometimes, you know? It works perfectly fine. Boom. Let's ding this out too. Boom. Alright, so this is incredibly sharp. Don't want to cut yourself. Just put it through like this. Alright. Alright, cool. This guitar's really dirty. Anyways. Alright, so what you do is you put it in this little hole right here. Okay? Where the tuner was. And you start turning it clockwise. And the moment this fits, the new ones, the moment they fit, you want to mark down the tape or something on the reamer itself on where you stop at. Reason being is because you're going to work on the other holes as well. You're not just going to have one. It's just going to be weird. So you're going to have one hole that fits perfectly. You're going to grab a piece of tape, put it on this area where you stopped. And then you're going to be able to measure a lot better, accurately, when to stop on the other ones, because the tape would be there to stop it. So in this case, I'm going to go get some tape. Forgot to grab some. All right, guys. So we have our tape. Could be blue, could be white, does not matter. It's just to let you know where to stop. So what we're gonna do, all right, so as you guys can see, okay, we got the reamer right over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a hole, okay? And then we're gonna turn. All right, and then this has to fit in it. This is the new one. All right, so we're gonna do that. So here's, all right, here we go. Keep turning, keep turning. You're gonna have to turn it a couple times before you can fit it. Yeah, we're not even close. You can tell it's not even going in. Okay, so we're gonna keep on doing it. We go back, throw it back in there. You have to turn it a couple times, and it's incredibly sharp. So you're gonna be able to see. Yeah, you still gotta keep going. Okay, it's almost there, guys. You can tell it's already starting to dig in there. This doesn't have to be a lot. It's just a little bit. See, just like that. And you put it so that you know where to stop. Don't cut yourself. Just like that, y'all. That's it. That's it. Right there. Boom. See? Just like that. So you know where to stop. there. Keep going. It's just kind of stupid. Now we can put these here. Let's see. I think it's can make a Strat sound like a Telecaster. And I was like, what? I never knew until I actually got a Strat. But the thing is, you can never like just do the same. Like a Telecaster has its own, like you, I don't know. It's just you can't emulate the same thing again. You just can't do that. In my opinion, it sounds close, yeah, sure, but Tellies have their own tone. You really can't replicate the same thing. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do that. Show you kind of what I got, guys. It's pretty. All right, there you go. Just have to turn it just a little bit. I don't know if it's the safest thing to do, but I didn't hear anything correct, so we're good. All right, boom. Wow, look at that. There we go, y'all. What do you think? What do y'all think? Pretty vintage, huh? Yeah. All right.